The Vial1 Easy Collect Kit comes with a package insert, a sample collection unit to collect your sample, a sample collection tube, and a dropper bottle containing sample collection buffer. The Vial1 Easy Collect is a device for the collection, storage, transport, and processing of samples including oral fluid. In today's demonstration, we will go over the collection of an oral fluid sample. The first thing you will do prior to collecting your sample is transfer the sample collection buffer from the dropper bottle into the sample collection tube. Remove the cap from the sample collection tube and the dropper bottle. Squirt the buffer from the dropper bottle into the sample collection tube. Place the cap back on the sample collection tube until you are ready to collect your sample. In order to collect an oral fluid sample, allow oral fluid to accumulate in your mouth. Open the sample collection unit by pulling down the cellophane pouch and removing the unit by the red cap. The sample collection unit is comprised of a collection pad, a rod, an adapter with a narrow opening, and a cap at the top. To collect the oral fluid sample, you will run the collection pad along your upper and lower gum line, across your cheeks, and under your tongue to soak up the oral fluid. Take the sample collection tube and remove the cap. The sample collection pad will then go down into the sample collection tube. Screw the adapter onto the sample collection tube, ensuring it is tight. Also ensure the red cap at the top of the sample collection unit is tight. The sample is now in the buffer at the bottom of the tube. The sample collection device will then be transported into the lab in this form and is ready for processing and testing. In order to process the sample, unscrew the red cap at the top of the sample collection unit and pull the rod and pad through the narrow opening. Discard the pad, unscrew the adapter from the collection tube, place a cap on top of the sample collection tube. The sample and the oral fluid have been squeezed out into the bottom of the collection tube and are now ready for testing.